What are Wix Collaborators? Wix Collaborators are individuals you can invite to work on your Wix website without giving them full ownership access. This feature is ideal for teams, freelancers, or clients who need to edit content, manage bookings, update store items, or handle marketing tasks, all while keeping your account secure and organized. As a site owner, you can assign specific roles and permissions to each collaborator, such as editor, blog writer, store manager, or admin. This way, everyone gets access only to the parts of the site they need. It helps streamline teamwork and prevents accidental changes to areas outside someone's responsibility. Wix collaborators also receive their own login credentials, and their activity can be tracked for better coordination. This setup is especially useful for growing businesses, agencies, and anyone working with designers, developers, or marketing specialists. You can start using Wix for free right now by clicking the link in the description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to design, customize, and launch your own professional website at no cost.